Preposition in. Sentence: the keys are in my bag. Preposition on sentence: the book is on the table. Preposition at sentence: I will meet you at 5 p.m. Preposition under. Sentence: the cat is under the chair. Preposition above. Sentence: the fan is above my head. Preposition between. Sentence: the shop is between two buildings. Preposition among. Sentence: she is among friends. Preposition behind. Sentence: the car is behind the house. Preposition near. Sentence: the school is near my home. Preposition in front of. Sentence: he is standing in front of me. Preposition to sentence: I am going to school. Preposition from sentence: she came from Delhi. Preposition into sentence: the cat jumped into the box. Preposition onto sentence: the boy climbed onto the table. Preposition out of sentence: he ran out of the room. Preposition toward sentence: the dog ran toward me. Preposition across sentence: they walked across the road. Preposition along sentence: we walked along the river. Preposition through sentence: the train passed through the tunnel. Preposition around sentence: the earth moves around the sun. Preposition with sentence: she is talking with her friend. Preposition without sentence: I cannot live without water. Preposition of sentence: this is a cup of tea. Preposition by sentence: the book was written by him. Preposition for sentence: this gift is for you. Preposition during sentence: he slept during the class. Preposition before sentence: finish your work before dinner. Preposition after sentence: we will meet after school. Preposition since sentence: I have lived here since 2020. Preposition against sentence: the bike is leaning against the wall. Preposition until sentence: wait here until I come. Preposition within sentence: I will finish it within an hour. Preposition despite sentence: he succeeded despite difficulties. Dot. Preposition beside sentence: besides English, she knows Hindi. Preposition regarding sentence: I called you regarding the meeting. Dot. Preposition except sentence: everyone came except Rahul. Preposition concerning sentence: Rahul, he asked concerning the exam. Preposition concerning sentence: Rahul, he asked concerning the exam. Preposition concerning sentence: Rahul, he asked concerning the exam. Preposition via sentence: we traveled via Patna. Preposition below sentence: the temperature is below zero. Preposition over sentence: the plane flew over the city. Preposition outside sentence: he is waiting outside the room. Preposition inside sentence: the keys are inside the box. Preposition beside sentence: she sat beside me. Preposition beneath sentence: the treasure is beneath the ground. Preposition beyond sentence: the village is beyond the river. Preposition past sentence: the car drove past the house.